everyone. A very warm welcome to our science exhibition. Myself Rumina Wasim Sheikh.
Myself, Sanchita Santosh Gupta.
And myself, Samruddhi Arvind Bare. We are from Standard 6.
We are here to represent our school, New Shri Vani Vidyashala High School. Here we are with the very important topic of reuses of water. As water is very essential in our day-to-day life, as about 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, but that 71% of water cannot be directly consumed by us. It is not in its purest form. Now my friend Samruddhi will explain about these models.
Here, we have demonstrated the two models of reuses of water. Our first model is reuses of industrial wastewater and second is reuses of rainwater. In our first model, in this Aditya Birla Group factory, the impure water contains the metals like iron, magnesium, solubent substance, etc. This waste and impure water goes into the wastewater collection tank. It goes through a pipe to the purification layer. Now my friend Sanchita will continue these layers.
Thank you, Samruddhi. The first layer is big stone gravel that separates the big particles. The second layer is small stone gravels that separates the small and tiny particles. The third layer is coal or charcoal that absorb the impure water and remove impurities. The fourth layer is sand layer that filters the water. The fifth and the last layer is tissue paper or cotton layer that purifies the water, and then this purified water goes to the purified water container. Now my friend Rumina will explain the purified water supply.
From this purified water tank, water goes through the deliver pipes to the colony and in the building. This water is used for washing clothes, washing utensils, washing road with the help of vehicle, washing football ground, gardening, agriculture, watering plant, etc. But we cannot use this water for drinking because they may contain bacteria, germs, virus, etc. Now let's move to our next model, that is reuses of water. Do anyone know here why we need water?
Yes, I know. As we all know that there is a scarcity of water on earth, and especially the fresh bodies. Due to increasing in temperature, superflows are used and there is a wastage of water. Hence the concept of rainwater harvesting or shortage begins. Here I would like to tell everyone about the method of reuses of water. Now my friend Samruddhi will explain our second model, that is reuses of rainwater.
Here is our second model of collecting and storing the rainwater. The rain fall on the roof of the building and we collect that water. We can drink this water because it is in the purest form, which is not purer than the other water bodies.
When the rain falls, we collect here in a water tank on our terrace or roof. Then it goes to the filtration process. As we want to use this water till the next rainy season, the water started process for filtration. For filtering, our first layer consists big rocks and our second layer consists small rocks which separate parasite particles like bacteria, germ, etc.
The third layer consists of coal or charcoal which absorb the impure water and remove odor and impure taste.
Our fourth layer is the sand that absorbs the bacteria and germs in it. And our last and fifth layer is the cotton or tissue paper that purified all these layers. And then it goes to a pipe in the well.
Hence this water is pure for use and it is carried to the well through pipes, and the water is stored in a well for a longer time. This water is used for agriculture, household purpose, washing and feeding animals, etc. Water is a natural resource. We should not waste water. Thank you.